Hey, I'm Matt. I work here at Firestone Complete Auto Care, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to come to the front of your vehicle and you're going to lift your hood. You're going to look for some sort of support rod like this, and you'll just put it in there and just kind of jiggle a little bit, make sure it's not going to go anywhere. You'll want to have some kind of rag with you as well, and you're going to look and find, typically it's going to be a stick with like a yellow handle on it, and it will be close to the exhaust. If the vehicle has been shut off recently, everything will be extremely hot under here. So you want to be very careful around any kind of hoses that you may see, and you will not have the engine running at the time as well. You're going to pull your dipstick out. You're going to wipe it clean so that way you get a good, accurate reading. Dip it right back in and then pull it back out. And what you're looking for is there's going to be two marks on your dipstick. One's going to be for low and the other one's going to be for full. You just want to make sure it's somewhere in that range. Then you'll just put it back in, make sure it's secure, and that's how you check your oil level.